Mr. and Mrs. Tiago, married for 22 years and blessed with 3 children. And their favorite thing to do is to watch movies together. That's so sweet.
Yan si Liango. Kami po ay married for 22 years na po. And then we have 3 children po. And then, ayan,
Ito po ay pumili at ang pinili ay ikaw.
may isa din ako. Ito is yung, narinig ko na din, nabasa ko na din. Sabi doon is, camera ka ba? Kasi sa tuwing nakikita kita, napapagiti ako.
And so you can strike a pose? Huh?
So they have been married for 48 years with 4 beautiful children. And their favorite thing to do together is magluluto.
Ang kalinawa. Ang husband,
Grabe kalinawa.
may mobile is, walang depress sa Kristiyano. Ako lang Kristiyano depress, sorry.
Tama po, pag Kristiyano tayo, walang depress. Walang Kristiyanong depress. Pilipos 4, talatang 6 hanggang 7.
Can you strike a pose, please? Strike a pose. You are magpasyal at magpahangin sa bukid. I'm sorry, it's 1997. They're married for 1997.
Good evening po. Ako po si Noel Pornolis, ang aking may bahay. Si Jonah Pornolis, kami po ay kasal na 27 years old. Away kami. Ngunit, ang motto namin ay, ang ganda ay kumukupas.
Ang pera ay nawawaldas. Ngunit,
Ang pagmamahal ko sa asawa ko ay hindi dagdag.
Nagwakas na.
Thank you so much po.
They have 2 children and 20 years of marriage. And their favorite thing to do together is eating and cooking.
Ako po pala si Brother Benson po.
si Sistine po sa kasi, ang aming, kasabihan po ay, action speaks louder than words.
Ang aming pick-up place naman ay, utang ka ba?
Bakit?
Dahil habang tumatagal, tumataas ang interes ko sa'yo.
Thank you so much. Mr. and Mrs. Luna is blessed with 2 beautiful children and that they are married for 22 years. Their favorite things to do are eating.
Then, okay po, ako po ang aking kapatid na Oliver Luna, ang aking kapitbahay, si Mr. Evelyn.
Nakakakaba naman dito. Kaya parang ang daming tao. Kaya magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ayun, nasabi na, Evelyn Luna po, ang may bahay, yung brother Oliver Luna. Ang motto po namin, siyempre, God first. Ano ang ating pick-up lang? Uling ka ba?
May kodigo.
Kapatid ko.
Kasi pinagbabago mo ang puso ko.
Thank you so much po.
They have a fur babies, which is married for 10 months.
Hi, good evening, Brother Simon.
I'm 13 na.
And Our motto is love is all about love is all about sacrifice.
Ano na, ako na ako yung mag-pick-up line. Ice cream ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi wala ako makikita-kita.
No children yet. No children yet, but they love being a fur parents, their fur babies. And they're married for over 1 year now. And they're favorite
Ako po si Ryan Paul Lawrence.
Ako naman po si si Len Orense po. Sorry po, dito pa lang. Ayan, ano ba yun? Ah? Si Will ka ba?
Bakit?
Ikaw kasi ang Will niya sa buhay ko eh.
Si Grace ka ba?
Medyo.
Because you're amazing. Yeah, yung ano naman namin, ano? God moves in mysterious ways. Yeah, true love way.
Thank you so much, Mr. Israel.
They have 2 children and 9 years of marriage.
Ang motto ko po is naniniwala ako na ang pag-ibig na inubog ng maraming oras at pagsubok ay siyang pinakamatibay at hindi basta-basta natatapos.
Nga ba?
May pick-up line po. Pagkain ka ba?
Bakit?
Hindi man parang kita, pakakama.
Mr. and Mrs. Garcia have 3 lovely children and they are married for 24 years. One of them is my co-host for tonight.
Good morning po. Ay, good evening po sa ating mga 1 million viewers. Hello! From MCA Couples Fellowship. So, yan, pakilala po ulit ako. I'm Nina Garcia.
And I'm going to question.
Ano yung pinag-aaralan natin memory verse?
Matthew 6,
Matthew 6:33. But seek ye first,
the kingdom of God and His righteousness shall be added.
and all these things shall be added unto us. Di ba mayaman ka? Akin lang ang insurance mo. Ay, hindi, mali. Sa'yo na lang yung insurance mo. Yung SS mo, yung PhilHealth mo. Pero, akin na lang yung pag-ibig mo. So they have like 2 handsome children with 15 years of marriage. And their favorite thing to do together is eating.
Good evening, everyone. We are married for 50 years. Mami, asin ka ba? Kasi, I love you, Ala.
Tingin ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi magmula nang dumating ka, wala na akong makita iba.
Thank you so much for each right pose for picture taking. Mr. and Mrs. Deluria have 1 lovely child, and they are married for 8 years. And guess what? Their favorite thing to do together is cooking.
Cooking sila,
Good
oh.
evening, ako pala si Edgar Diluya.
Ako po si Irish Diluya. Ang motto namin ay magkaisa sa Panginoon.
Okay, ito sa pag-ibig.
Sana ako.
Huy! Huy!
Buko ka ba? Bakit? Dahil ikaw ang buhay ko.
Thank you so much.
People and master children for 26 years being married, and their favorite thing to do together is hunt.
Binigyan po sa ating lahat. Papakilala ba tayo? Okay, ako rin lang. Ako po si Brother Pedro Orense.
And I'm Sister Rhoda, and we are
Pedro Roda. Cellphone ka ba? Kasi pag nahawakan kita, hindi na kita mabitawan.
Kaya ako naman, calculator ka ba? Kasi, Ulit. Calculator ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi, ikaw, kasi sa akin, solve ka na.
Thank you so much. Please try to post please the picture. Mr. and Mrs. Marcelo, as two lovely children and 4 years of being married, and their favorite.
Good evening. Kumbaga si Brother Tata Marcelo.
Ay, siya pala si Tatsuki.
Ayaw yung salita.
Sa ating ano.
Siya si Arcelie.
Ano po ang moto niyo mag-comment?
Moto namin ay bahala sa akin, basta lagi.
Thank you so much. So please. So we have 4 blessed children and married for 20 years. And their favorite thing to do together is kumain.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Rodel Diwa. Ito po yung aming bank. Ang moto po namin ay
Love is short, but love is forever.
Thank you so much. 2025. Please come on, give yourself a round of applause for making it this far. Ang tumayo po dito at magpakilala, magbigay ng moto ay hindi po biro. That's what I'm courage to do.
So this